Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make one of my favorite Greek appetizers called Keftedes. Keftedes may seem hard to pronounce, but they're simple to make. They're Greek meatballs with herbs, garlic, and a little onion. Let me show you how to do it. And they're done. This is our beautiful plate of Keftedes. They smell so good. The mint really shines through. Thanks so much for watching the video. For more recipes, check out my website, mysweetgreek.com, and all my other videos here.